Nobody on the Las Vegas Strip has bingo anymore. Silver Sevens used to have it when it was Terribles. They got rid of it. Eight wings for $14.99. Depending on how big they are, that's pretty decent. Pitcher of beer. Pitcher of beer, $10.75. That can't be right. No way. It couldn't be that cheap. Domestic beer is $6. A pitcher of beer is $10.75. I have to check that out. Not that I'm going to drink a pitcher of beer right now. I don't drink when I'm working. If the guys in Chicago catch me drinking on the job, they'll fire me on the spot. They'll get a robot to replace me, do a lot better job. There it is again on another sign. A pitcher of beer, $10.75. Now there are some small pitchers, like maybe you would get 3 beers in a pitcher instead of 5. Because normally a pitcher is 60 ounces. I've drank a lot of pitchers of beer in my life. Trust me. And every now and then they'll throw a special and it'll be like a 48. So that's 4 beers instead of 5. Okay, so I just went and had a conversation with the girl in the bar. I didn't want to invade her privacy, but the second one. Anyway, she told me something even crazier. Not only is a pitcher of beer $10.75, they have some brands that are even cheaper than that, $7.50. And she kept punching it in on the computer and confirming it with me. I still can't hardly believe that. Because even Modelo was $12.50 for a pitcher of beer, and it was a 60-ounce pitcher. That's absolutely crazy. $70 lanes. So I found this out last time I was here. You can get to the bingo hall by going through the back of the bowling alley without having to go back down to the casino. Cheeseburger, $9.99. Double cheeseburger, $12.99. Can you get the pitcher of beer here? Pitcher, $10.75. So they're written on that board too. Oh, this is nuts. I have to come back here when I'm walking. Mess with it when I'm driving.